Okay, so a year ago this week, we bought our house. What?
So you're not doing an introduction? It's been quite the process so far. We just have gotten everything got it. I can't do it.
Hi, my name's Lauren, this is Brett, and we are currently remodeling our house. We've been in here 1 year and we're excited to finally start making this house exactly what we want it to be. So we have torn out the floors, taken out the kitchen, moved a couple walls, and we are excited to get going.
So it's been quite the process so far. We've gotten pretty much all the demo work done. We've got everything thrown in our dumpster. However, work's been kind of tough to come by. We've had a couple guys no-show, a couple guys that weren't doing things properly. So it's been definitely a process, we'll leave it at that. Our next step is going to be continue ripping out some of the island, rebuild the island, get paint on the walls, texture, and then hopefully by then we can put the floor in.
I think flooring and paint is already going to make me love our house so much more. So we will keep you guys updated on everything we have going on next week. And then a couple exciting things that happened this week. We purchased our slabs for our countertops. They're called Opal Ice. We bought our sink, our dishwasher, and yeah, we're excited for progress to come next week.
Yeah, so once that island's in, cabinets are made, we can go ahead and throw the slab on as well. So we're really just kind of waiting on the island and the paint to be done, and then we can kind of start moving forward with the flooring and then hopefully have our lives back to some sort of normalcy.
Yeah, it's been kind of crazy living in this house with 2 kids.
Also, this wall behind us will look 1,000 times different. We should start on that next week as well.